Welcome to the launch of Toyota's all-new BSUV. 25 years ago, Toyota created the SUV market with the RAV4 and proved that cars could be stylish, fun, innovative and versatile. 4 years ago, we launched the CHR in the CSUV segment. Today, we enter the BSUV segment, the fastest growing of all. A segment for those who refuse to compromise. They want the best in weekday commuting. And when the week is over, they want the best in weekend adventure. They want all urban and they want all SUV. Today, that is what we're delivering. It combines the best of the new Yaris DNA and of the RAV4 heritage. It displays the clever big small package and dynamic agility of Yaris. It has the versatility, ground clearance and robust design of the world's most popular SUV. And we call it the new Yaris Cross.
Welcome on board.
Let's talk design. With the Yaris Cross, customers don't have to compromise.
Ready to go.
It's just as spacious as it is practical. Shopping in hands full. Tap with your foot and the trunk opens.
Happy to help.
Withholding straps so nothing rolls over. You're off for a ski trip. Get it all in with the seat folding system. Taking the bikes. That fits nicely.
All on board.
Lots of luggage. Lower the boot floor and everything goes in. And how did we go about designing the Yaris Cross? We studied the needs of our European customers.
Bonjour, ciao, guten Tag.
And we designed it to match their personality. Our keywords were robust and minimalistic. That means compactness and agility with the robustness of an SUV.
And not afraid of a little mud.
Designed with the iconic image of a diamond in mind.
They call me the nimble diamond.
Hard, strong and premium, like the gemstone.
But also agile and fun to drive.
From the top, the body appears to be cut back, giving us the space to emphasize 4 bold fenders.
So both energetic and sophisticated.
And the high ground clearance of an SUV with big 18-inch wheels.
And very, very stylish.
Let's talk about our latest 4th generation hybrid technology. Toyota has been the leader in hybrids for 23 years. Yaris Cross brings our SUV and hybrid leadership together.
I'm all urban.
Meaning exceptional fuel efficiency and very smooth and responsive performance.
And I'm all SUV.
And intelligent all-wheel drive when the going gets tough. This 4th generation hybrid is as efficient and responsive as the one in the new Yaris. A new 1.5-litre 3-cylinder Atkinson cycle petrol engine with an outstanding 40% thermal efficiency, together with high torque at low RPM. And a powerful electric motor delivering 59 kilowatts and a high-power lithium-ion battery. Together providing total system output of 85 kilowatts or 116 horsepower.
Overtaking? Plenty of power to spare.
Yet, still producing emissions below 90 grams CO2 per kilometre for front-wheel drive and 100 grams per kilometre for intelligent all-wheel drive. No comparable competitor in the segment comes close. And let's talk about Toyota's new global architecture.
Or TNGA.
You were impressed by the new Yaris? The new Yaris Cross is adapted from its GAB platform, but now it's earned its SUV credentials.
Wanna go off-road?
A higher driving position, a raised body, and increased ground clearance. Yet still perfectly compact for urban driving. TNGA once more delivers confident and natural driving dynamics. That means high body rigidity, a low centre of gravity,
And a well-balanced chassis.
delivering agility, stability, comfort, steering precision, and reduced body roll.
Destination arrived.
The Yaris Cross is a powerful, bold and distinctive addition to our range. With projections of at least 150,000 annual sales from next year. It's built in France alongside the new Yaris. Developed and designed for Europe, and also built in Europe, it proves our commitment to producing core models in the region in which they are sold. Together with Yaris and GR Yaris, in the coming years, it will account for around 1/3 of Toyota's European sales volume. The benefits of TNGA and hybrid technology will reach a wider audience. And also help us to meet our emission reduction commitments. To sum up, our new model is designed and developed with European customers in mind. It's got SUV styling and, thanks to intelligent all-wheel drive, real SUV capacities, it's got tons of practical space and versatility inside. And it delivers best-in-class fuel efficiency and CO2 emissions thanks to its 4th-generation hybrid system.
And let's look forward to a great future on the open roads.